So in this video, you're going to learn how to make somebody an admin of your YouTube channel. So this is useful if you are getting someone to manage your YouTube channel for you, or you have somebody who you want to edit the videos. So it's really easy to find. All you need to do is jump into your YouTube studio. So let's do that right now. Okay, so here you can see my YouTube studio. So if you just go to the dashboard, and down the bottom there is this settings option here on the left. Okay, so go to your YouTube channel on YouTube and go up to the top right hand corner where your little icon is here and scroll down to where it says YouTube Studio. Click on that button and that's going to open up your YouTube studio for you. Now all you have to do is come down here to the settings option on the bottom left hand side and it's going to open up this pop-up window. Scroll down to the one that says permissions and click on the invite option. Here you'll be asked to type in the person's email address and then you'll be asked to select how you would like them to manage your channel. Manager, editor, editor with limited access, subtitle editor, viewer, or viewer with limited access. Once you've selected that and you've filled in the email address, just click the done button and it will invite them to your channel. The person being invited will receive an email, and once they've accepted that, you'll see them here underneath this area with their name, their email address, and the role that they've got. And that's all you need to do to allow somebody access to your channel. Now, as you saw from there, you can't allow somebody access enough for them to delete your channel, but you do have different roles which will allow them access to delete content and manage and upload content for you. So think wisely about what you want to give them access to, but they cannot delete your channel, but they can, if you give them the role, delete some content. So have a think and don't let just anyone in there. This is more for you if you are a creator or a business owner and you're using someone like me to manage and optimize your channel. My name's Anita Wong. If you want help on anything else to do with managing your YouTube channel and growing your YouTube channel as a business owner, drop a message in the comments below this video and I will contact you very soon. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.